It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, you are going to see me use the Juvia's Place, the Nudes palette. This is a part of the Black History Month treat that I'm doing, showing you guys some of my Juvia's Place palettes. This palette is the Nudes. I have the chocolates coming up next. And with us celebrating Black History, a part of that is celebrating our different complexions. So that's what I wanted to do with the Nudes and the chocolates palette. So y'all see my complexion, right? And y'all saw those nude shades, right? So this one was kind of interesting. I feel like, well, I know I could have definitely went in with a lighter base. For this video, I used the same concealer that I used for the Berries palette. And I had to adjust my lighting. At one point here in the beginning of the video, the lighting was so bright, I felt like I couldn't really see the makeup. But when I kind of took the ring light down a little bit, I noticed that I was actually putting eyeshadow on, which I was like, where is the eyeshadow on my eye? Where is it? So you're gonna see the light kind of turn down a pinch so that I can see what I was doing a little bit better. So right under that brow bone, I went in with the lightest shade. Then in the crease, I went in with the next lightest. And then in the outer V, I went in with the darkest shade. Now y'all know I love a dark outer V area, but for this palette, that darkest shade wasn't as dark as I would have liked it to be. But for these videos, I'm using this palette only, so I did not add anything else. And you guys are going to see how beautifully it came out. I did do something different with the cut crease, and I left all of that in so that you guys can see it, so that we can talk about it in case this happens to you. So this is the point where I'm adding that brown in the outer V area. Another thing, I was kind of rushing to get to work, so I needed this done really fast. I was going to delete all of this footage and redo it, but I said, let's just work with this. When we do our makeup all the time, it's not perfect. It's not always what we thought it was gonna be. So I decided to just bring this video to you guys and tell you how I changed it, how I fixed it, and all of that. So at this point, this is when I went in and did the outline of my brows. And I went ahead and just filled them in off camera. Here I had a little product left on my brush, and I wanted to see how these shimmers would look. I first decided to probably try that one. Then I was like, no, let me try this other shade. I felt like the other shade was maybe too light, but I really liked that shade, so I applied it. And I liked the shade, but I needed more. So I'm going to go in with more concealer and really cut me a nice crease. So this was me just trying, I don't know what I was trying to do. Oh, I know what I was trying to do. I was trying to do like an ombre with the lightest shimmer shade and that dark shimmer shade, but it wasn't really giving me what I wanted. So I said, okay. I kept applying the gold, and the gold was talking. It was doing something for me. So I went in with my concealer, cut the crease all over again, and then packed it out with that gold, and it was perfect. So you're about to see me do that now. So if you try something in your eyeshadow look and you don't like it, definitely start over. It's okay. You can use a makeup wipe and remove it. You can do the Vaseline method to remove it. Because this was so light, I just went on top of it with the concealer and it was fine. So now that I have that area kind of primed a little bit better, now I'm going to go all over with that gold, and it was amazing. So I'm really glad that I kind of, you know, assessed the situation and changed it. So the next time that I use this palette, I think I will go in with a whiter eyeshadow base, just so that the tans and the browns will kind of stand out more on my skin tone. Then I went back in that outer V area as always to kind of just deepen it up a little bit. And I was fairly pleased with how the look came out, especially with how fast I did this look. For the chocolates look, I got up extra early so that I can really take a lot of time. So I can't wait for you guys to see that one. So I went in with my foundation, my powders to set, and my highlighting, blushing, and contouring powder. Now I am on my lips. I'm just going to outline them and apply some lipstick. And this is one of my favorites, kind of nude lipsticks. This is the Mauve Moment. And I just rub that in. It's so creamy. I love these lipsticks. And then I went on top of it with some lip balm, that pH balanced lip balm that we have, to give it that kind of nice plum shade. Then it is time to snap into my lashes and my wig, and the look is complete, okay? Had to add on some jewelry and everything, give y'all a little look-see at what the look is doing. And this is the palette, of course. Definitely, as you guys celebrate Black History this month, take some time to appreciate all of the beautiful shades that our melanated skin comes in, from light to dark, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed me using this palette, the Nudes by Juvia's Place. Definitely check out the next video where I use the chocolates. That one is absolutely one of my favorites, so I can't wait for you guys to see that. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, leave me a comment, and let me know if you would rock this palette. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And it's a wrap. I will see you guys in the next video.
Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.